Hey, Kalidas here. Wanted to talk to you today a little bit about hip pain. It's something that a lot of people experience at some point, and there's actually a lot you can do about it for yourself. It's actually pretty easy in most cases to fix most types of hip pain. There's, of course, different kinds, and you can learn a lot more about it by clicking the link below and getting a free copy of Back Pain Secrets. It also includes information on hip pain, and you can learn about what you need to do to take care of your hip pain quickly. And I hope I hear from you soon about it. I'm happy to help you any way that I can. So get your free copy today and let me know what you think about it.